Acre of Love Homestead, everybody. Wanted to show you all my plants again that I have in this mini greenhouse. We have my rosemary here. It's not getting any bigger. I need to repot it. My elderberry in this one. She was dead in the summer, but she's coming back now. My other rosemary, which is really doing really good. So I don't know if I need to like move this one more towards the sun. I might take this out and just have them sitting on the floor. Parsley's doing really good down here. That's my parsley. And I put my Wandering Jew out here. It was in the house. I got it for free, so I put it out here. I just wanted to see how it would do. And she's perking back up. She was kind of blah, but she's perking back up now. Tomato plant. I put a tomato plant in here. I moved my basil in here. It was outside in the garden, so I moved it out here. I still have plenty of basil out there. Don't worry. Our milking stand, of course. We got another tomato plant gonna try to come back. And then we have our thyme under here. The thyme is in this one. We got another rosemary and 2 cilantro in that one. I just wanted to try to get those cilantro to kind of come back, so I stuck them down in there. Cilantro in this one seems to be doing pretty good. And then we have our oregano in this one and a little oregano over here. So this one, I'm trying to let this one get a little bit bigger so it can be put in its own little pot. It's getting a little bit bigger. It was very dinky whenever I first got it, so it's doing better. And then, like I said, we have our oregano in that one. I want to try to do some kind of herb thing. I want to try something new with some herbs and stuff. This is the other basil that was in the pot, so I just moved it in here. And then we have another tomato plant here, and I gave everybody water. And hopefully they will make it through the winter, because like I said, it stays fairly warm in here. So, and then hopefully next year, I'm going to replace all these windows and the roof. I'm going to replace them all with the fiberglass for the, greenhouses and stuff. But I will move it. I want to move it to an area that has a little bit more sun coming in. But hopefully I can get that done in the spring. Just a little short video of my makeshift greenhouse, guys. Why I put straw on the floor, I have no idea. I think I had other plans and then just kind of went a totally different direction. But see how the window's broken here? I had a goat actually ran into it because it's running from another goat and it broke. But yeah, I mean, it's okay for now, just for the winter. And then worst case scenario, if one of the girls has one of their babies in dead winter, I can stick her in here because that's what I did last time. And her babies are just fine. Because these windows do open, they open more. So if I wanted to get a little bit of cool air in here, I can. That stinking goat just escaped. But that's my greenhouse, guys.